What's going on, everyone? For the past few weeks, I've been testing out Google's new free AI tools, and to my surprise, they actually outperformed paid alternatives that usually cost between $20 to $50 a month. If you're trying to start an online business or just looking to bring more money into your household, burning through cash on monthly software subscriptions can be the difference between winning and losing. Today, I'm going to show you how to win using a specific tool called Illuminate, which transforms your content into professional, AI-generated audio discussions. I've made multiple seven figures in the online business world, so I'm always hunting for ways to simplify the process while keeping the quality high. To get started, you're going to head over to illuminate.google.com. This tool is honestly a game changer because it takes a PDF or a URL and turns it into an incredibly authentic podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts. It sounds high-tech, and the audio quality is so good you'd think it was recorded in a professional studio. Now, to actually make money with this, we need to be very specific and target a blue ocean niche. I like to go to a site called Instructables.com to find handy DIY projects. For example, you can find a project like how to decorate golf clubs with laser marking, copy that URL, and paste it right into Illuminate. While the audio is being generated, you can use Gemini's deep research mode to find new affiliate programs with low competition to see which tools used in that DIY project will pay you the best commissions. Once your audio is ready, you don't want it to just be dry talking, so you're going to visit MusicFX at Google's Test Kitchen. This is a royalty-free music AI generator where you can just describe the vibe you want, like upbeat electronic with a modern tech vibe, and it creates professional background music that won't get you copyright strikes. The goldmine strategy here is to upload these instructional podcasts to a Faceless YouTube channel and fill your description with affiliate links for the products discussed. You can even use these audio files as an audiobook add-on if you're already selling a digital ebook, which instantly increases the value of your product. This is the smart way to use Google in 2026 because it gives you context and summarizes information in a way that's actually profitable. If you want to take this even further, check out promotopics.com to validate if your chosen topic has high market demand and to see what active ads your competitors are currently running. It even gives you a 4-week action plan so you aren't just guessing about what to do next. This entire system is about solving problems for people and providing a business-in-a-box experience without needing to show your face or spend a fortune on tech. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more unconventional business tactics. Comment the word roadmap below, and I'll send you more details on how to get your first $500 day started. See you in the next video.